What's going on, guys? Stevie from the Minute Masters here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your truck so your door handles won't keep breaking off. So these OBS trucks are notorious for breaking these plastic handles, and a lot of times it's not of our own fault. We're not really jamming on the door or anything like that. So this one just broke on my truck, and I've actually replaced this one. This one is newer. It's a new doorman replacement, and that really shouldn't have happened, which is my clue that it's another problem. However, if you're looking for the quick fix, a lot of times you can buy the cast metal version, which is from the older brick nose and bullnose trucks. Mostly with the bullnose is where I find them, and you get them in chrome and you get them in black. However, I have snapped these off too, and what it is this hinge inside, the pins in them wear out and they become more like, you know, ovals, and it just doesn't operate correctly. And usually the telltale sign it's going is you break the plastic handles. So for this video, we're going to replace this hinge. And of course, what I like to do once it's replaced, I add the steel handles. That way I've got the best of both worlds. So to start with that, you're going to want to remove this screw here, which I've already kind of gotten with a screw gun. There's another screw in here. Got that guy there. And then usually using a trim pry bar, you'll pry back on this cover here. It just snaps around the edges. And now on your trucks, this will be a Torx head, I believe like a 25. I've converted mine over, which was just about finding the right screw, to Phillips, so that I can use a screw gun. And that pops off, and of course the ring just went and flew. After that, the door is held on with the push clips. So I normally just find an edge. So this one's already kind of hanging out here. So there's our first one pulled out, and you're just going to go around and you're going to work the door away. Okay, at this point now it's pretty loose. Some of these are the original ones. There's not much teeth on those. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of get it away here, and then you're going to kind of wiggle it up. You just have to get it over that button there. Okay, once you have it off that, and just like that, it's off. The only thing that you'd normally have to negotiate getting it off would be the handle. So you would like turn it sideways, bring it right off. So here's our original factory latch handle, and I can kind of see how it doesn't quite line up, but it's also just kind of old and rusty. So let's get started by taking out this bolt right here. Then you'll want to get that bolt there on the inside. So with your bolt out, you can just take this and you'll see the notch, slide it back, and you have it free. Now with your cable here, it's hard to do one-handed, so I actually pushed it out already, but you turn it over and you will smack the back side and it will come right off. Okay, I did it with a pair of needle nose pliers. It's a nice, good, hit there. And then you just weave that metal there and it comes right off. And there you go. You've now removed the old door handle latch, and as you can see, there's a lot of play in this, and that's what's been working against us. Matter of fact, you can kind of see that dark halo spot right there, that pin. That's showing you that the hole is no longer round and it's more like an oval, and that's the issue. So that one can go to the scrap heap, and we can bring in our new guy. So before I let you go, make note of this area right here. Some of your trucks, you'll find that this area will crack just from excessive use, especially when the handles start breaking. So when I was doing some of the welding here to put this floor in, I actually went and I took these aluminum rivets and I riveted a piece of sheet metal under here to strengthen it. There's a couple companies that make a whole reinforcement plate out of aluminum, and I think mostly aluminum, and that will fix that whole problem as well. So just keep an eye out for that. That may be something you run into. So I'm going to install this bad boy. We'll put the handle on, and then I'll bring you back. So here we are, guys, back in business, and man, does it look good. Nice and shiny, operates smoothly, and all you needed was basic tools. Granted, I have all my trusty Milwaukee tools, which really help speed up the process, but really all you need is a ratchet, a screwdriver, and something to take out the T25 Torx bit in there, and you're good to go. But just remember, the big takeaway is if you're breaking handles, you must replace this inner piece. And just in case you're curious, I'll put a link down in the description where you can buy this. Unfortunately, when you buy it, you also have to buy this latch mechanism as well, which kicks the price up into about the $150 range shipped, which I know that sounds steep, but hey, if you can quit breaking handles and you get that level of convenience back to driving a more reliable vehicle, trust me, it's worth it. So that being said, guys, hit the subscribe icon over here. Check out some of the other videos. I'm Stevie from the Minute Masters. Thanks for watching.